Do you really believe you don't have to work due to childcare when divorcing in Switzerland? Do you? You may be wrong. Childcare restricts reasonable employment. Anyone who has devoted most of his or her time to childcare cannot immediately be expected to start working or to extend gainful employment. From when on does the main caring spouse have to work? After the 10-16 rule is lifted, the decision is made according to the school-level model, in German Schulstufenmodell. This and more is covered in this video. My name is Tamara Freiner. I am an independent attorney at law in the canton of Zurich. If you like this video, please share it. There is an obligation to take up gainful employment. You must work from the time of divorce or already from separation if there is no prospect of reunification. Due to childcare, reasonable gainful employment may be restricted. A distinction must be made between whether one parent cares for the majority of the joint children or whether both parents have shared childcare responsibilities. The childcare model practice is continued in an initial phase, so-called continuity principle. After an adequate transitional period, the spouse with custody rights must integrate himself or herself into the earning process. This is graduated according to the age of the joint children. In the past, the 10-16 rule applied. Today, the school step model is applicable. This is because personal care ceases when the child starts school. The caring parent is able to pursue gainful employment. The spouse who is the primary caregiver is basically expected to work 50% from the time the youngest child enters kindergarten or school. The spouse has to work 80% from the time the youngest child starts secondary level and accept a full-time job from the time the youngest child reaches the age of 16. In individual cases, guidelines may be deviated from. For example, an increased burden of care may arise in the case of 4 kids or a disabled child. The actual earning capacity is assessed according to established criteria such as health, education, labor market situation, and so on. What is your personal situation? Please note the age and number of children and who cares for them, whether there are increased burdens or not. Are you employed? If yes, what is your workload? Can you expand your gainful employment? Do you desire a just, amicable, modern divorce that you negotiate on your own terms? You need professional preparation, a strategy, and someone on your side for support. Contact me for a joint conversation. And in order not to miss any news, please follow me on social media.